Right now, you're looking outside the Supreme Court. Live look, number of decisions have now dropped today. A big one on abortion allows doctors in Idaho to perform an abortion if needed to prevent serious harm to the mother. Some say this was a punt from the high court. Another decision strips the Securities and Exchange Commission of a crucial enforcement tool in fraud cases. And then we just got a third decision rejecting a nationwide opioid settlement with OxyContin maker Purdue Pharma. The Supreme Court also releasing a decision halting enforcement of the EPA's plan to limit downwind pollution from power plants. NewsNation's Tom Dempsey standing by outside the Supreme Court this morning. So that appears to be it for the day. Tom, we got to look at this abortion case when it was accidentally posted. Tell us more about this ruling.
Yeah, this was absolutely one of the very big cases we were watching to come down today. You had the Trump immunity case, and then you also had this Idaho state abortion ban. The vote 6-3 in the Supreme Court, voting that doctors can perform abortions if needed to prevent serious harm to mothers. So emergency abortions can happen in Idaho for now. And I think that second part of the sentence is interesting because this has been a really interesting case. You have a federal law that requires emergency care in hospitals, including abortions for women if their health is in a serious, serious matter, not necessarily if death is imminent, but it requires emergency care for women in hospitals, a federal law. But then you have this state abortion ban in Idaho that essentially bans abortions in the state. So you have this state law going up against a federal law. So a lot of people were watching this. But here's the thing about this ruling today. It allows abortions to take place, emergency abortions to take place in Idaho, but it doesn't necessarily solve that issue over these state abortion bans. In fact, one really interesting quote in the dissent, Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson, I want to tell our viewers about this, quote, "Today's decision is not a victory for pregnant patients in Idaho. It is a delay." Marni, like I said last hour, I know you like sports analogies. This is by no means the end of the game when it comes to this Idaho state abortion ban. It's kind of punting the issue off to lower courts. And I believe Ketanji Brown Jackson also kind of hinted at this may later on end up in front of the Supreme Court yet again. So obviously the timing of this decision also rather notable, Marni. It wasn't too long ago, earlier this month, we were reporting on the mifepristone decision from the Supreme Court, which upheld access to one of the big abortion pills that's used in almost 2/3 of abortions across the country by women. So these are two notable decisions, but it doesn't necessarily put the issue of the Idaho state abortion ban away. It allows medical abortions for women, in emergencies in Idaho for now, Marni.
Definitely not the end of it. Tom, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.